No one here, no one there. I see desolation everywhere. Just run out of tears to cry. It's getting colder every day. In this God-forgotten world I pray, as I look up to the sky. Is there something I can do to give back hope to this horizon? I close my eyes as if it stopped the rain on me. I can get my fears away with those words I hear you say. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. I wish you all